Xbox disk drive noise, normal or faulty? Is your Xbox making a scary grinding sound? It feels like your console is about to explode. I know how frustrating that is when you just want to game. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. Stay with me. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Comment if you face any difficulty, I will reply within 1 hour. First, let us understand if the noise is normal. Most disk drives make some sounds. A low whirring sound during installation is normal. This is just the disk spinning at high speed. It should quiet down after a few minutes. However, loud clicking or grinding is a bad sign. It means something is wrong inside. Step 1. Check the disk for damage. A scratched disk can cause the drive to struggle. Clean the disk with a soft cloth. Wipe from the center outward. Smudges can also cause loud vibrations. Step 2. Try a power cycle. This resets the hardware and can fix software glitches. Turn off your console. Unplug the power cable. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. Step 3. Check the console placement. Your Xbox must be on a flat and stable surface. Horizontal placement is often quieter. Ensure there is plenty of room for ventilation to prevent overheating. Step 4. Clean the disk drive slot. Dust can block the laser and cause noise. Use a can of compressed air. Blow gently into the slot. Do not insert any objects like cotton swabs. Step 5. Manually eject and reinsert the disk. Sometimes it is just not seated properly. Eject the disk. Check the drive for any foreign objects, then insert the disk again slowly. Step 6. Perform a system update. Software fixes can improve hardware performance. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Updates. Select Update Console to ensure everything is current. Step 7. Disable the auto start feature. This can reduce startup vibration. Go to Settings, then go to Devices and Connections. Select Blu-ray and uncheck Play Disc automatically. I hope these steps fixed your noisy Xbox. You are now ready to play without distractions. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. Happy gaming!